This is the Hewitt heavy-duty lift motor left side mount. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. Place the mounting plate on the winch arm, making sure that the reinforced plate is towards the top. Locate the backing plate with the angled cut and the 4 shorter 1/2 inch bolts. Place the angle plate on as shown. Go ahead and tighten the 4 nuts on the mounting plate at this point. Go ahead and attach the gear unit to the mounting plate. Before you tighten it down, make sure that the gear unit and the mounting plate are both flush. With the 2 pieces flush, go ahead and tighten it down. Remove the bolt from the gear unit. Slide the shaft of the cable drum and the spacer tube into the gear unit. Line up the cable drum, spacer tube, and gear unit, and then replace the bolt. And tighten it down. At this point, locate the full backing plate, 4 bolts, washers, and nuts. Mount the full backing plate through the cable drum and tighten it down. Mount the motor to the gear unit, making sure to use the longer carriage bolts at the bottom. Place the small pulley onto the motor shaft, making sure that the set screws face towards the inside. Put the large pulley onto the worm gear shaft, making sure that the set screws face towards the inside. Push up the motor to install the belt. Align the 2 pulleys so that the belt will run perfectly straight. Tighten down the set screws on both pulleys. Tighten down the top 2 carriage bolts on the motor. Double check the tension of the belt. At this point, go ahead and install the cover mount bracket. Run the cable up through the back side of the cable drum, through the hole, and out of the hub. Attach the cable clamp to the end of your cable. Tighten down the cable clamp. Pull the excess cable back through the hub, making sure that the cable clamp is at the end. Hook the angle of the top of the cover over the gear unit. Slide the slotted holes over the 2 bolts and secure with the washers and the wing nuts. This completes the assembly of the left side mount.